What's going on, you guys? So it's been quite a bit since I've been on YouTube. I've kind of just been focused on work and just doing things that I enjoy, and YouTube hasn't really been top of mind. But I did get a new car a few weeks ago that I haven't shared on social at all. I haven't shared on Instagram, on YouTube, anywhere. And I want to make this video short, sweet, and to the point. So I wanted to preface the video by just give you an explanation as to why I'm so on and off with YouTube, because it's not really priority. It's more something that I like to do for fun. And yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions, comments, leave them down below, or you know where my Instagram is. Yeah, I'm super excited about this car. We have a lot coming. I want to do an exhaust. I already have wheels on it. Maybe switch up the wrap, do more body kit parts. We'll see what happens. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy, and let's go check it out. All right, so we're in my driveway. Like I said, I've had this car for a few weeks now, and I haven't posted it or done anything about it. I've thoroughly enjoyed this car so far, and I think I've finally gotten a chance to just have something to myself and really get to drive it, enjoy it, and like truly be happy with this car. So I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I do, and without further ado, let's check it out. Alright guys, so this is a C63 AMG. It's a 2017, and it's honestly amazing. I picked it up in the Bay Area, and it came wrapped in satin black, and it has a bunch of carbon fiber features, and it has, you know what, I'm gonna botch the name. It has Zito wheels. As you can tell right now, the car's been filthy because we're currently in quarantine, so everything's closed and there's really no point in washing it because no one really cares. So yeah, I mean, this is like a basic walk around, and I'll talk more in depth in future videos about the car. But for now, I think what I want to do is I want to take you guys for a ride in the car so that I can just explain to you why I bought it, what I like about it, and you guys can check out the interior, which I'll show you right here. I really looked after this car because it has a special like Napa leather brown seats that aren't super common in these cars, and the guy that bought this spec'd it out really well. It has like full carbon in the center console, so we'll get into that more. But yeah, for right now, I'm gonna show you guys a cold start, kind of, because it's the middle of the day or evening. But I haven't driven the car in a while, so here we go. All right, so this is the interior of my car. Like I said, it's a 2017, so it doesn't have the brand new system that has like the dual screens and whatnot, but it's fully loaded. It has, like I said, the Napa leather seats. I love the brown leather. It's like super unique, and when people get in the car, that's one of the first things they comment on. The center console right here is fully carbon fiber. So the center console is fully carbon. I don't know if you guys can pick that up. Let's see what else. Oh, it has a full moonroof, if you want to pan up there. The sport bucket seats as well. These are really nice. One of my favorite features, the back has beautiful brown leather. It has ambient lighting on the door. What else? I mean, it has a lot. I'm not thinking straight right now because I'm kind of doing this on a whim, because I've been bored out of my mind in the house. But I figured this would be a good opportunity to show off the car to you guys and just get out of the house and do something a little fun. One of my favorite things about this car, so this is a completely stock exhaust. I've done nothing to it. One of my favorite things about this car is the fact that it literally sounds amazing, even just in its like stock form. So like I haven't done anything to it. There's no modifications, nothing. performance wise, and it sounds great. It like backfires, it crackles, pops, everything. And as soon as I have the opportunity to tune it and do an exhaust, it's going to be even louder and more aggressive, which is going to be really, really cool. So I wanted to take you guys for a drive and yeah, just talk about the car. Oh, and talk about the reason why I bought it. So one of the main reasons why I bought this car is because I previously had a Porsche Macan, and I thought that would be something that I would enjoy, and it was. It was very luxurious, very comfortable, an amazing daily driver. But the fact of the matter is that I got pretty bored with it because it wasn't super exciting. It wasn't anything that like I was excited to drive from just like a car enthusiast standpoint. Like, of course it's a nice car, so by no means am I saying that, you know, it just wasn't nice. But yeah, this is something that's a little more fun, a little more my speed, and similar to cars I've had in the past. They're actually not extremely expensive, which is the cool part relative to other cars and like the performance. But like, here, watch, I'll even show you right here what the exhaust, maybe, I don't know if it's warm enough yet, but we'll see if we get some good pops out of it. There we go. So I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it backfires and pops as a downshift. Yeah, so the reason I bought this car is because I want something more exciting, and this has been nothing shy of it. So this is in its complete stock form, and I plan on upgrading it, and I'm excited to share it with you guys because like I said, because I haven't been excited about the cars I've been owning, I've also just like not been creating content because it's not something that's like a priority for me, and I really only do it for fun. Even though it is nice being able to build kind of like a personal brand and share stuff that I'm passionate about. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'm going to be making more content like this that is sharing more in-depth details about the car, how much I paid for it, my favorite things about it, the things I don't like, modifications, all that good stuff. And hopefully once this quarantine stuff is over, I can meet up with more people in Southern California that are car enthusiasts as well. So if you live in the area, if you live in Southern California, if you live in Orange County specifically, or near here, feel free to comment down below or just send me a message on Instagram. Let me know so we can link up. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.